inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be wounded.
Oke cuy, kita pulang cuy. Wah mantap. Wow, ngeri. Innalillah, ada mbah-mbahnya. Paling males aku tanjakan rame kayak gini nih, beresiko loh ini tuh. Ya alun-alun. Alun-alun Bandungan. Alun-alun yang miring, termasuk alun-alun yang miring. By the way, ini mau cari makan dulu. Sebenarnya di dalam tadi ada tempat makan sih, ada, cuma kayak mahal aja gitu loh. Ya iyalah, tempat makan di tempat wisata itu tetap mahal guys. Ya karena itu bukan apa ya, bukan konsentrasi mereka di makanan ya kan. Makanan itu hanya kayak sampingan pelengkap aja. konsentrasi mereka kan ada di wisatanya itu, hiburannya itu, makanan pelengkapannya. Jadi ya jelas lebih murah di bagian apa wisatanya, bukan di makanannya. Nah tapi kalau kita nyari makan bener-bener di rumah makan ya jelas lebih murah makanannya daripada hiburannya. Jalanannya ngeri dari tadi, turunan yang mengerikan. Dibuat apa ini? Lapangan. Biang keroknya ketemu, ada truk ngangkut batu gede-gede banget ya, nggak bakal kenceng lah, mau naik kan mau turunan nggak bakal bisa nyalip ini mah, nggak ada jalan lurus ya. Wah mantap cuy. Mantap. Jangan ke kanan toh, mbak. Wah jalannya cuy. Ayo jengat. Oke guys, kita lanjut nanti ya.